Good afternoon, you two. We are in the bee yard today, and I've been learning how to install packages, so we're going to show you with our packages how to do that. Is because I'm shaking my bees today, the amount of bees that are dead on the bottom, you'll want to go ahead and shake the ones that have the most bees first. First of all, this is a 2-pound package of bees. It comes with worker bees and a sugar can and a laying queen. So come with us and we're going to put these in a box. Alright, now hopefully she stays put this time. Pop this little wooden lid off. And then you keep this very handy. Sugar water ready to go. We're going to slide our sugar can out. This is sugar water in the...
You put it on your piece of wood.
Just spray them down with a little bit of sugar water that keeps them calm. And hit it one more time. Pull this queen out. There. Put that sugar thing over. Keep that in there. And this is our queen. Here. She is in this box. So, pull her loose. Here. See her down in there. She's right there alive. Down there. There we go, see her? And this is the candy end of the queen cage. So what we're going to do is pop out cork. Candy in. Put your safety pin back up. Keep it handy. Now we're going to put her down in the box. Strain up, just like so. Yes. Got my feeder top ready to go. I'm going to bump them down one more time. Check them in. Toss it up. Try to even walk away. Let the bees settle. They settle down pretty quick. When they settle down, you'll go and flip your cage where the rest of the bees can get out. Put some sugar up in the feeder and close it up, and then come back in a couple of days and make sure the queen is released, and that's it. That's how to install it.
pretty good at this. She's been working with Don, the fat bee man, for the last 2 weeks.
Okay.
Just that's all they've been doing is putting bees in the boxes. I believe we have started a bee yard.
Like our videos, like and share. We appreciate it. Helps us out. Thank you. Have a good day.